Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something really interesting which is called as a prompt engineering. So first of all I will ask you to think at least for 2 minutes that what you know about the prompt engineering. And pause this video here and just try to think by yourself. Okay, I hope now you are clear and something is come up in your mind that what is the prompt engineering. But if no, then I am here to solve your query. So there are no such degree first of all like an engineer, but it is inside ourselves only. So imagine you are talking to a really smart robot that can answer almost any questions you ask. But sometimes how you ask the questions makes a big difference in the kind of the answer you get. So that is the where the prompt engineering comes into the play. So what is the prompt engineering? In simple terms, it's a way of talking to artificial intelligence or AI in a language it understands best. It's like knowing the magic words to make the AI do what you want. Whether that's the writing poem or solving the maths problem or making a jokes, it's kind of a discussion with the artificial robot what you are making or what you are doing with the robot. So why does it matters? You might wonder, why do we need to be a good at the prompt engineering? Well, it's because AIs like ChatGPT, Google, OK Google or Siri are super smart, but they need very clear instruction so that they can give you the better result. By becoming good at prompt engineering, we can make this AI to do amazing things more efficiently and accurately. So, magic of asking the right. Imagine you are looking for a recipe for a chocolate cake. If you ask the AI, that is a ChatGPT, that tell me a recipe, it might get confused what kind of recipe you want. But if you ask like, can you give me a recipe for the chocolate in a simple manner, so you will get the result what you are looking for. That's the prompt engineering, asking the right way. I hope you are clear what is the prompt engineering. Prompt means the word what we are writing. In my last example, we have captured a lion swimming in the swimming pool. We enter just like lion swimming. So if I press or if I give the input as a lion, what he will understand? He will just write the something about the lion. But what we have written like lion swimming image. So it understands well and it gives the result of the image because we have entered the image. We want image of the lion swimming, not just only a lion, not only a swimming pool, but we need everything. So this is called as a prompt engineering. What you will ask, you will get the best of it. Here is the simple tips to become a prompt engineering wizard. First of all, be clear. Use a specific word to make your request as clear as possible. Be concise. Keep it short. The more direct you question, the better the AI can understand it. Give context. Sometimes a little background helps the AI give you better answer. Experiment. Try asking in the different ways to see what gets the best result. So I hope these 4 points you will remember. Be clear, concise, give context and experiments. Try to do as much as experiments you can. Now the future is only related to the prompt engineering. So what you can give the best, you will get the best result. Again and again I am saying, because everything in the future will depend on how you good at the prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is not just a cool skill to have, but it's becoming an essential way to interact with the technology. As AI becomes a bigger part of our lives, knowing how to communicate effectively with them is going to be a super important. So now let's stop talking here, and that's the wrap on a prompt engineering. I hope you found this is an exciting as I do. The better we get at talking to AI, the more we can unlock all the amazing things it can do for us. So let's keep learning and experiment together. I hope this lecture is clear to you. Thank you.